Okay, we'll start from 69. So did everyone complete till 69? Anyone who didn't complete? Yes, okay. Let's start. Um, okay, where is my Power BI? Okay. Okay, so now start by ensuring there are no filtered or highlighted values. So what we are trying to do now is select the blank space and then sum of revenue by country visual. Okay, so we are creating a slicer which is for the manufacturer. Okay, so let's go and maybe make some room for creating a slicer, and then let's create a slicer. So what is a slicer? It has a filter here, filter icon. So this is the slicer. So make sure you're not selecting any of these visuals. Just select outside on the white space and then click on the slicer and add manufacturer. So this one. Under the manufacturer, there is the manufacturer field, right? So that's what you will add. Okay. Now readjust the slicer so that it is coming as a box, smaller box. Okay. So now let's just select Van Arsdale and then reselect Australia. Okay. So let's, if we just first select Van Arsdale and then if we just select Australia, see, out of the Van Arsdales, you will have only one manufacturer, and that too, out of the whole manufacturer sum of revenue, Australia is this. That's how you can see it. So out of the all the revenue by year, Australia is contributing to this particular uh, amount. Okay, so next step is, okay, let's format the visual. Let's see what kind of formatting is available. So for some of you, I think you will have something similar to what is shown here, depending on your version of the Power BI. What I have is I have a format button separately here. So I'm going to click on that while this slicer is clicked. Okay. So that while that slicer is highlighted, I have clicked on the format. So for me, the format pane has been um, is now it is showing. So I'll go to size and see what other options are there. So you can position and you can clear the size. If you want, you can have the background on, and also if you want to add the title separate from the slicer header, you can do that. I'm happy with the slicer header at the moment. Now there is something called slicer settings. So here at the moment, you can see that the style is vertical list, where you can select multiple by clicking on the control. So I have selected two manufacturers now by clicking on the control click. Okay, I'm just unclicking that. Now you can also have a drop down. So if I click on this style, you can either have tile or you can have a drop down. If you click on drop down, so it says all manufacturers, or um, you can either choose this one, or something like that. Okay. So I'm just unticking everything and also unticking Australia. So you are now at the moment showing everything, right? So that's how you can choose the drop down like that. Now we have top competitors. Remember we did the um, filter for top competitors and Arsdale, Van Arsdale from the manufacturer groups. So,
Yes.
any question? Hi, Solmas. Solmas, Lata? Yeah. What's your question?
Indu, the
Hmm.
formatting pane is not there along with the body of this one. So from where I can invoke that
So,
one?
okay,
That's not
so
there.
here, see in
Version.
this, are you able to see here?
Mm.
So it will be something like this for you in the visualization. So where you can see here, I'll show you. You see here,
Yeah, yeah,
this button.
yeah, got it. Yeah, yeah,
Got it? And
yeah, yeah,
then
got it.
from there, you need to go slicer settings. See
Slicer
this one.
setting. Okay.
And then options from there, style.
Mm.
And then choose drop down.
Okay. Slicer options. Okay. Slicer options drop down.
Mm.
Got it. Got it. Any other option we need to apply, or that's it?
No, for now that is.
Mm.
And here in the, just ensure that from filters on this page, both of these are selected. Not the
Yeah.
others, but top competitors and Van Astel.
Let me check
If
the
they are
filter.
selected, then you will see like this, all these. See, these are the top competitors and Van Astel is separately.
Mm-hmm. Top
Okay.
competitors and Wednesday. But the colors are not as what we were
Colors
studying.
is okay, not a problem. You can change the colors. Themes, we will talk about it later. Okay, so now let's use the manufacturer slicer to analyze one manufacturer at a time. So we can use that. Okay, now to do that, what we will do is we will add I think we don't have this card visual, right? So we will add a card visual for sum of revenue. So for that, let's do maybe I'll just click keep the manufacturer visual there, and I will make sure you click on the white space. No visual is selected, and here there is a card visual. So I'm just going to add the card visual and then add revenue. Search for revenue, which is in the sales table, and then click on that. So you will have the sales as 2.7 billion with with nothing, no filters. Okay, so now sum of revenue we now know as we filter and cross filter the visuals. Okay, now um, okay, so now we have everything. We have the manufacturer dimension. We have the yeah, we also have the, if I remove this one, we have the product dimension, we have the manufacturer dimension, and we have the geography dimension, but we don't have any date dimension, right? So because we have dates in this table, we can create a date dimension, and we will write a DAX query for that. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is we need to create a new table. So if we go into modeling, you can go and click on new table. And then you can either copy this one and then click on enter. So I'm just copying this one. I'm removing everything from here, table equals, and then I'm just saying date. So what this is saying is I want a date table from the calendar function. There is a function called calendar. This query is called DAX query. Okay, so DAX is DAX. What is DAX? Can anyone tell?
Data analytics expression.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Data analytics expression. So D for data, A for analytics, and X for expressions. Okay. So what this is doing is we are using it's similar to Excel. So if we say sum of something, then it will give you the sum of those particular values, right? What this is giving is we are using the calendar function. Calendar function gives and it requires two arguments. So two arguments is the start date and the end date. So which are separated by a comma. So whenever you use calendar function, you need to pass a start date and an end date. That's what exactly we are doing. But we are using another function called date function. And date function requires how many arguments?
3.
Three arguments. The first one is what is the first argument?
YY.
Year. Yeah, because it is 2014, right? Comma, month and day. Day number. Okay. So year, month and date. So what we are trying to say is give me a calendar, give me all the dates between start date of 1st of January 2014 to 31st December 2022. Okay. So what this function does is it will give you just one column of date where you will have every date from 1st of January 2014 to 31st of December 2022. Okay, so I haven't pressed enter yet. So now watch carefully. Here there is a table. Because I didn't press enter, it didn't turn into date. Now you will have another date function which will have that column. So I'm just going to press enter, or you can click on the tick here, commit. Okay, I have done that. Now see the changes. Now you got the date, and within the date you have a date column. Okay, so that's what has happened. And if you look in the table view here, see that is the date table that you have just created using that function. You did not sit and type everything. Okay, you did not sit and type everything, but you have used the calendar function to generate the dates for your use. And that's how your date dimension will be created. You can create your date dimension either in Power Query or in DAX. Power Query is in Power Query Editor, or in DAX. DAX will be used in Power BI Desktop. Okay. Any questions you can ask?
How do we get the table? New table.
See this. Did you copy this one? Copy from 82.
I didn't open this lab too. Okay, I will open this.
Okay, okay. Can you see the chat?
No.
I can paste in chat. Yeah, maybe I'll just paste in chat so that you can copy from there.
No, I can't see. I
You
can't
can't
see
see
the
chat?
chat.
Okay. So yeah, simple is date equals. So if I'll show you again, if I go here, it will already be there. So when you clicked on new table, it will say table equals, right? So remove the table and just type chat and then calendar within brackets of those calendar date 2014 comma 1 close the brackets of this date and then give a comma and then do that.
Where do we got the new table adding? The from the data. I don't see
So
the controls
if you
W6
go
here.
here, go to modeling
Modeling. Okay.
and then go new table.
Okay. Yeah, it got. So from the new table after adding, how do we go to
After
the
adding
editor?
the new table,
From the where do we get the? Okay,
yeah,
selecting the
so
table.
See here, there will be table equals once you say new table, right?
Yeah, yeah, I got
Remove
it.
that and then say date equals.
The case sensitive, I'm typing it.
Yes. Yeah, case, this is just you are giving a name. This is you are
Okay.
just giving a name to the table. That can be anything, but this is case sensitive.
Calendar. Function calendar. Date method. 2024.
2014, comma 1, comma 1. Close the
24 or
brackets.
14? 14. Okay.
14, yeah. 2014, comma 1, comma 1. Close the bracket, again comma,
Hmm.
and then date again. Open bracket.
2022. 12/31.
2022, comma 12, comma 31. Again close the brackets for date and close the brackets for calendar.
So
And now
this
click enter. Enter or click on the commit here. Now you will be able to see the date table here.
date table appeared.
Here, okay, that's good. Any other questions? Everyone with me?
So how many columns, how many rows it enters?
Uh,
I think from and to that date
yeah,
function is a
from
from and
1
to.
to, yeah, from 1 to 31/12/2022. So how many years?
Okay,
So
okay.
15 to,
Don't
yeah,
worry.
8 years. 8 years data.
Okay,
It's
that
going to enter
function is
8
from
years
and to.
data. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's a from and to.
Mm. Yeah, this is
Okay.
start date and end date. Function requires two arguments, which is start date and end date.
Thank you.
Okay, so date column is created. So we have created that. We are using two DAX functions, which we have seen that. Now go to column tool. Now go to column tools here. If you go here into the table view and highlight this and then change that to data type to not date time, but just date. We don't need time for this particular scenario. We are just going to change it to date. Everyone change that?
Time disappeared.
Yeah, time will disappear. Disappear in the sense everything will be 12 depending on the format.
Mm.
Okay, now what we have, what did we just do? By doing this date equals thing, what did we do?
We created a new table with some content in it, and we
Yeah,
made
what
it
is
a
the what?
date.
Yeah, okay. So what is this date table called? It's a dimension, right?
Mm.
So we have created a dimension, and we already have how many dimensions here?
You mean the number of tables, the different
Yeah,
tables?
how many dimensions here?
5 now.
Do you remember what a fact is and what a dimension is? What is the
In
fact here in this table?
sales.
Yeah, sales is the fact table. All the others are what are the all the others called? Is called
Dimensions.
dimension
Okay.
table.
Right.
So we have product dimension, we have manufacturer dimension, we have geography dimension, and now we have created a date dimension. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now we have created a date dimension, but remember we created relationships, right? Earlier.
Into one question here
Yeah.
for me. Sorry. In the table, I'm not able to that exclude
Change
the
the
time.
date. Change the date
Exclude.
time.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
just highlight this one and then go to column tools and then change the date. Yours must be like this date time. Change
Yeah,
that
right.
to date. Data type must be changed to date.
Oh, okay. I got it now.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
No worries. Okay. Now go to relationship, the model view. And now what we need to do is we need to create a relationship between the date dimension and
Sales.
sales, right? Do we have a something that we can connect in sales?
Sales date column.
Yeah, sales date column is there. And then this date column is there. What is the relationship that you think?
1-to-1.
1-to-1.
One to many. One to many.
Yeah, it will be 1-to-many because customers will be buying multiple times, right? Multiple dates on multiple dates, right?
Okay.
So that's why. But which one will have one and which one will have many?
Calendar date is one and then sales is many.
Yes, because we just now created a date table which will have one row for each date. So that this will have one, and for that one we are creating a relationship with the many. Okay, so now that we have created. So now it is looking like a star schema, right? What schema? No, this is a more of a snowflake schema because these are the stars, but this is the snowflake. Okay. Any questions?
Sorry,
Yeah.
Indra.
Yeah.
This is Rakesh. I missed the date from the date.
Did you create the date table?
Yes, and I'm trying to put the formula of date one. So it's showing as failed.
This one?
Yeah.
Did you do this?
Yeah, but
Do
it's
you have
showing as
access to the
failed to.
chat?
Yes. Yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay, I copied that. Can you copy and paste that? There might be some comma or some bracket missing.
Okay.
Can you see the formula in the chat?
Yeah, I copied just now.
Yeah, and then remove everything and then paste it.
Yeah.
Paste that.
Oh, yeah. Now it's what?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Now after
next.
that you change the date column to date, data type as date from the column tools. You can go into the table view for that.
Table view.
And then
Yeah, I'm in
choose
table
date.
view.
Yeah, choose
Yeah.
date. And
Yeah.
then from the column tools, choose the data type as date.
Can you show me where it comes, please?
Here, column tools, data type.
Yeah.
And drop down. You must be having date type, date time. Change that to date.
Yeah, just only date. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you go to
Yeah.
model view and then drag this date to that date. From the date
Okay,
table,
model. Yeah,
model view.
from model view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the date table, drag this to sales date. You don't have any other dates in the in your model.
Yeah. Yeah, I have done. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Let me check. Okay. Any other questions? Everyone on par with me? Okay. Looks like okay. Let's go and proceed. Now we have created the relationship. It will be one to many. And then navigate to the report view by selecting report icon within the and to the left hand side, sum of revenue by date. Okay, so we will change the date to reflect the new date. Okay, let's do this. Remember, we created a sum of, if you go into our report view, see this one, we have created a sum of revenue by date, right? This date we have used from sales. Okay, now we will replace this date from sales to this date from sales. Okay, sorry, this date from the date table. So expand that. First remove this, or you can, if you have the same like me, you can just choose the click on the left on the greater than arrow and then change the date field. Okay, so once you change the date field, you can just go up, up,
After the
Mm.
mapping, this completely looks like something broken. Can't preview the visuals. I think something is broken. Can I share my
Okay,
screen?
okay. Yeah, share your screen, please.
Okay, so this is a mapping we did from the date field to this date sales.
Okay, can you just double click on that link? This looks okay. Many to one.
So the visuals looks like
Deleted columns. Okay, click on one of the visuals and then expand this visualization. Something went wrong. Manufacturer. Yeah, close that.
okay.
Expand the visualization pane. No, on the right hand side. Yeah, yeah. Sum of revenue country. What about the filters? Can you go filter? What's this? Why is date there? Can you remove that date?
It's not removable. It's not moving off.
Okay, so
Remove
wait.
filter. Yeah, I can remove. Shall I
Yeah,
remove?
remove. No, wait. When you select this one, we don't have any. Why is there a date in the that is revenue by manufacturer, right? Or revenue by country and manufacturer legend, right?
This one.
The one that you have selected.
The filter.
No, the visual. Can you select the visual again? The first one. Yeah. Okay.
Here
Why
we
did
didn't
the
select
date
entity.
come in there? Okay, there should not be a date there. I don't know why that came. You can't click on the cross there.
Remove filter.
Yeah, remove filter.
Nothing is happening. It's popping out remove filter, but upon clicking, nothing is happening.
That the date should not be there, but here is okay. So maybe there is a no. It says that year is
2020.
2020. I think by mistake you must have selected that. So that's why.
Let us see this one.
Everything, I think it's that. For every visual, it is happening. That's why it is showing that.
Can I check applied steps?
No. It's only the problem is only here, and you are not able to remove. Okay, you are you able to click there?
I think if I
Field is
remove here, date
deleted
is all. Here is a date is all. If I can remove.
Yeah, remove that. But no, that.
I think something worked.
Yeah, the removal of that date worked.
Yeah, here the
Okay,
visual
so
is
that
added.
particular, okay, so now you change that to x-axis. Go to x-axis.
Which visual? The same,
that
sum of
that
revenue.
same visual.
Okay.
Yeah, remove on the x-axis. No, don't remove anything. In the visualizations pane.
Yeah.
Click on the drop down or remove that date. Click on X.
Yeah, X is open, the date.
No. On the side, yeah, remove field. And now drag the date from the date table. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Yeah, now you can go upwards.
Shall I demote all of them or?
Yeah, you in the visual itself, you see the arrows, right? I'll share my screen and show you.
Yeah.
So here, so these ones, you can go to the arrows until you see the ears. Yeah, for some reason, I think you must have by mistake selected the one of the bars. I think you must have selected this bar, and then it must have been there while you have done something else. So that's why
Yeah.
it got.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
I got
So
it.
anyone else? I think there is in one more. I can see that there is a hand up.
So now my date component is there or not there? Newly
It is there.
added.
It is there. Yeah, you can see this, right?
This.
That's what it is. What we have changed is we remove the date from here, right? We removed the sales date, but we put the date from there. Okay, because from the you most of the time you use the date from the dimension, not from the fact.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. What Madhuri? Yeah. What's the question, please?
Hi, Indu. My date table, I can't connect to the sales date column.
Okay. So
I
did
tried
you change
creating.
it to date? Date? Did you change the data
Yes,
type to
yes.
date?
I changed it, but still I can't connect it.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see. So
So
drag.
this one.
No.
Yeah,
I can
here
still
I don't get
go
the
to the table view. Go to the table view. Yeah. That looks okay. Go to the sales table and then date. Sales table on the right side. Yeah. Yeah, that is also date and then same thing. Okay. Now go to the model view. Let's see what happens. Yeah, drag from from there, from the date to date table to okay, it's not creating, you mean. Okay, so go to manage relationships at the top in the ribbon. Yeah. I can't see that screen, but create a relationship that will show you. Did another window pop up?
Yeah, another window popped up, but I don't see the table called date.
Maybe a space. Did you give a space there? I think I can see a space here or something. Yeah, remove that space if you have.
No, it's not there.
No space.
Yeah.
Can you can I see that screen? Manage relationship screen.
You can't see, is it?
No, can't see.
Oh. Maybe I stop sharing and share again. Dot screen. Can you see now? Are you able to see now?
Yes. Now go to new relationship. Okay, from table, date, yeah, and then to table sales, and then choose this date. choose the date from the date table and then choose, yeah. Now create that relationship. I think somewhere it will be. Hide it and then
Still
you
it
will
is
be able to
not,
hide, yeah.
still I can't get the apply button here.
That is strange. Is there something? Can you move that? Can you try and resize this window on the sides? Yeah, now try.
For you, there is a database symbol over here which I didn't get.
Yeah, some icon, right?
Yeah,
Did you create a new table?
yeah, I created new table, but still I'm getting like this. I tried to delete this
Mm.
and then I created again.
Go home. No. Go to report view. Yeah, and then go to modeling.
Mm-hmm.
New table, and then copy paste that. Yeah. Now click on this one. Yeah. Click on, and then go to table view. Yeah. Change the date. Yeah. Uh, and now go to model.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is still the same.
Something, some bug.
Yeah, it's coming as a field rather than a table.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
it is.
trying this for multiple times, but still it's coming up the same way, even though I tried
And
multiple
that's the
times.
reason you can't create that date
Yeah,
Relationship, yeah, relationship.
link. Yeah, because there is no apply. You are not able to see it as apply button.
mm.
Maybe change the name of the table. Go to table view or yeah, and then just say date underscore table or date table or something like that. Yeah, enter. Sometimes this reserved word business also. It's the same.
Yeah.
Which version are you using?
It's
Report it as a bug. May 2024. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Something.
Maybe she need to close it, then open it again.
That also might be possible. Yeah, try that also, Madhuri.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, try that. Otherwise, let's maybe for this one, don't change the dimension. Just keep it as it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's go to my screen. Okay. Now we have changed that, and then we have seen the. Okay. Now what we can do is we can we need this date. Now that we have changed, do we need this date here? Yes or no?
You're not sharing it.
Huh? You can't see my
No,
screen?
we don't need that date now in sales.
Yeah, but can you see my screen or not?
Yeah, we can see
No.
your screen.
Now.
Can't
Yeah.
see?
We can see.
Yeah, we can see.
Who can't see? I
I
heard
can see.
somebody no. Okay, everyone can see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we don't need this, right? So what we can do is we can hide that, because otherwise people, if somebody wants to, if we are giving this report as self-service, then they'll get confused which date to see in the table. So what we can do is, instead of deleting from the model, because we can't delete from the model, right? Because we have a relationship. What we can do is we can hide it. We can hide the field. So I'm just hiding it. So which one are you hiding? Are you hiding this one, or which are you hiding this one? Which one should we hide?
In
This one
sales
or
date.
this
From
one?
the sales table.
In
In
sales
Yeah,
sales
from the
date.
sales table. So right click on the date from the sales table and then click on hide from the model. So now In the report view, it doesn't appear. But when we go into the table view, it will definitely appear. But here it says that it is hidden. Okay. So that's this thing. Okay. Now next one is, again we have to go right. Yeah. Okay. So we have hidden it. Okay. Now use the same process as in the previous step. Hide country, product ID, zip and zip country within the sales table as well. Okay. So let's go and hide all these. Country name. We haven't changed the, okay. Make sure you are clicking on the column. So I'm hiding the country. I'm hiding the product ID, which we don't need, and also zip country, which we don't need at all. But make sure you're not deleting from the model. Okay, now let's go and zip country, or even zip also we need to do that. And yeah, zip, and also we can hide from the product table. We won't use the product ID, so we can hide that as well. And also manufacturer ID. Same thing here, manufacturer ID.
From the product table, product or product ID? We are having
Product ID. No,
right?
don't do product.
We need
Product ID.
product
Only
ID.
ID fields. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just to show that we can hide fields. Okay, see, this is the tip 1. It is a best practice to hide fields that are not used in your report visuals. These fields are the basis of our relationships between each table, so we don't need to show them, but we cannot delete them as well. Okay. Now let's get back to our data story, Australia, Van Astel and 2021. Let's check if the spike occurred in a specific region in Australia. So how do we do that? If we go into the sum of revenue by country, then we can drag state there. Okay, so let's go and do that. So if we go here into our, I'll just reduce this one and then slightly increase this one. And then here under the x-axis itself, from the geography, go and add state here. Okay, state here. And now if you click on 2021, oh, it's going to, why is it going to drill? Drill down, drill down. Okay, now let's go to Australia. Let's go up, drill down, and then just go Australia. Oh, it's going up. If I go to Australia and then choose 2021, did some country disappear? So we have added state. Oh, we are adding district as well. State and district, so that we are drilling down. Okay, so now let's go disable drill, and then you need to add the country as well, sorry, district as well here. So if you go add district underneath the state, let's say add, add district. Okay, so now you can do the same drill up, drill down. Okay, so now if we choose, let's say Queensland, you need to turn on drill mode, drill down mode, and then if you say Queensland, then you can see what districts this is covering. And do you still have manufacturer groups here? You can just say, you can change the title by going to format. Okay, any questions? Did you all add state and district here? It's like, do you have any questions? No.
Indu,
Yeah.
sorry. I missed that drilling down.
Okay,
Where
so
can I go?
yeah, if you go into the revenue by country
Mm.
and then add state and district to the x-axis underneath the country, drag and drop.
Okay.
Or you can click, if you have this screen, you can click on add data and then choose state first, and then again add data, choose district first.
Country, state, district.
Okay, hold on.
Lata, what is your question?
I will share my screen.
Okay, yeah,
Is that sharing?
not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. What
Okay,
did you
so
do?
this one.
Yeah, it went to multiple, small multiples. So on the right hand side where you see x-axis, x-axis, y-axis, legend, there is small multiples. Remove that district from there.
Okay.
Now go to
Country, district.
yeah, just drag. If you do that, it will go to small multiples automatically. Just drag that field into x-axis. Yeah. Yes. Oh, no. Country came at the top. The country should be at the top. Yes.
And then
And then
state
state should be at the, yeah,
middle.
yeah, middle. And state got added as legend. Remove that. Yeah. Now, if you go to now look at the down arrow and click on it. Yeah. Now you can enable the drill down. So if you click on USA, it will go down to state level. Click on USA. Yeah. Click on the bar. No. First you need to enable that. So you need to first click on the drop down. No.
This drop down.
No. The second arrow down. Yeah.
Okay.
Second arrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Now click up first. The upper arrow beside. Yeah. Yeah. Now you are in the country, right? So now if you click on Australia or USA, it will go down to the state level. And then if you click on one of the states, it will go to the district level.
Okay, interactive.
Yeah. This is the drilling down which we saw for the date, year, right? Year, quarter, month, and day.
Yeah.
Same day. Yeah.
How do we come back again to the
Go up. Yeah, drill up
That's
and
what
drill
drill.
down. Yeah.
Okay.
Indu, I will share my screen.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will stop. I will stop my
because-
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I have something.
Sure.
Thanks, Indu.
You see, my chart is completely looking different. Where
Yeah,
did
yeah, I know.
this-
So go to region went into small multiples. So remove that.
This one, region.
No, region you don't need actually.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you can remove, yeah, that one. And also even for x-axis, you are adding state, not region. So you can remove the region as well.
Here.
Yeah. And then add state, drag state in between country and district. No, don't click. Yeah. If you click, it will go to multiples.
Okay, I just drag it.
Yeah, drag into yeah, there. Perfect. Yeah. Now,
Okay.
yeah, now click on the up arrow in the
Here.
chart. Yeah. Yeah, up,
Yeah.
up.
This one.
One more. Yeah, one more up.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you are seeing the country. Now, if you want to drill down, when you
Mhm.
click on the bars, then you need to enable that. Yeah. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, now drill mode is on. So now if you click on Australia, it will just show you just the Australia, your mode is off. So that needs to be black. The down
This one.
arrow needs to be clicked. Yeah, yeah, click.
Yep.
Yeah, that needs to be enabled. Now you can click on Australia.
Okay.
It will show you only Australia states.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all Australia states.
Okay.
And if you click on one of the don't click on that. If you click
Okay.
on one of the bars, it will take you through to the districts. Yeah. No,
Okay.
not blank. For some reason you have blank. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on something. Yeah. Australia, Victoria. No. Where it doesn't say blank.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Click on a bar where it doesn't say blank, then you will get to know all the districts. Yeah, click on one of the bars.
Yeah, I did.
Is it not going down? Don't have district, is it?
Oh. I did click, but I don't know. I didn't see any changes even after I.
Click on any other bars, on the smaller bars. Yeah, click.
Yeah, I
No?
did. No.
Might be your data. State and district, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, state and district. Let me click on Australia. And why? I think you're see, I'm just sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Share. See, when I click on Australia, I
Mhm.
can see only these. These are the real states, right?
Okay.
And then when I click on one of the
See.
Queensland, these are the things that I'm seeing. Districts.
Okay. So.
And I can click up, back again. Yeah, if you can't see properly, then it might be the data issue. So we might have to fix it.
Okay. No worries.
Okay, let's look at it after the.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, any other questions? I'm just looking at questions, right? Okay. Okay, let's proceed further. Okay, so drill up. So now we have learned about drill up and drill down, right? So that should be okay. Now let's create hierarchy. Hierarchy between product hierarchy. We are adding what are we adding? Segment and yeah, category, segment and product. We are creating product hierarchy for product category, segment and product. Okay, let's go and do that in the product table. So let's go in the product table. So category, segment and product, right? Category, yeah, CSP. Okay. Okay, so you can create hierarchy from here. See, click on the dot beside category and then say create hierarchy. And then we need to add to field well. So that one. And then select segment first or drag this one. We don't want, I think this went to. Okay, now add to hierarchy. So go first, once you add category, you click on the dot beside segment and go to add to hierarchy and then choose category hierarchy. So it should appear like this. Is everyone with me, or does anyone need any help?
Do we need
Everyone?
to select one of the visual or?
No, you don't need to select anything. Just click on the, I am going through the hierarchy again. Click on the dot beside category and then choose create hierarchy. So that will create this category hierarchy with the category as the first hierarchy. Okay. Now click on the dot from segment and then go to add hierarchy, add to hierarchy, and then choose, because I have already added, it's not appearing, and then choose category hierarchy. So we have added 2 levels. I want to add another level called product. So I will go to the dot of product field and then again add to hierarchy and then category hierarchy. And then we can rename this category hierarchy to product hierarchy. Is everyone with me? Any questions? Rakesh, comfortable? Madhuri, okay na? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's go back to the lab. So we have created the category, segment, and product hierarchy. Now select the white space within the canvas and then create a clustered bar chart. Again, now from the data pane, expand the product table, select the hierarchy, and then sales. Okay. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to add product hierarchy and revenue by product hierarchy. That's what we are trying to show. Okay, so let's go and I'm just resizing this one and then clicking on the white space and adding the clustered column chart, right? Clustered column chart or bar chart. Let me just check. Clustered bar chart, product hierarchy, and sales. Clustered bar chart. So creating that. And then to this, I am going to add product hierarchy. So to the y-axis and revenue to the x-axis. Okay, so as per the product hierarchy, so this again, this will also have the drill downs. So urban category is the most has most revenue, followed by rural and mix and youth, followed by mix and youth. Okay. And then we will create another visual.
Is it clustered column chart or bar chart?
Clustered bar chart, clustered bar chart. And then sum of revenue by category. And change it to, okay, select the sum of revenue by category. And, okay. First, we will add a bar, clustered bar chart. Now we will change that to matrix.
After adding that one, did we added that product hierarchy, right? With the
Yeah,
y-axis?
first y-axis is product hierarchy, x-axis is sum of revenue. Is everyone with me, or shall I give you a couple of minutes?
Yeah, couple of minutes.
Okay, I'll give you a couple of minutes.
X-axis is?
X-axis is sum of revenue. Everyone should be able to see this particular graph like this.
Urban rural mix.
Okay, everyone here, shall I continue? Okay, now what you do is, after selecting this chart, clustered bar chart, change that to matrix. Matrix is this. See, now you can see the category and sum of revenue. So you can click on the plus, and then now you can, because you added product hierarchy from the category, you are seeing the segment. And if you drill down the segment, you can go and see the product, what product it is. They might be, yeah, there might be two products under some of the segments. Okay. So that is the way you can have a look. Okay. Okay. So next one is we finish that. Yeah, plus, and then some with the matrix selected, below the sum of revenue twice in the values section, and percentage of grand total. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now you can see the matrix with category and sum of revenue. What if you want to have what is the percentage of urban over the total? If you want to see that, what we will do is we will again add this revenue into the values. See here in the values, or for me it's not adding, so dragging doesn't help for me, so I'll again add this. So there will be two columns with the same sum of revenue. Have you all done that? Add sum of revenue twice for the values section. See this one for the values section. Have you all added?
From where we can add that one, that sum of revenue?
From sales revenue. So add data and then, or drag. Lata, for you can just drag once more. So that your value will appear twice.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, now if you click on, I right clicked it and show value as. You have to click on show value as, and then choose, instead of no calculation, choose percent of grand total. See, now you are able to see it.
Right click is getting show as table, show next level, expand to next level, copy. It's not showing the difference.
No. Okay, so go to drop down. Let me see whether there are any screenshots here. These look.
And I can share my screen. Maybe that different
Yeah.
version
yeah.
control.
Yeah.
Right
Share your
click.
screen.
Yeah.
Uh,
So the
okay.
selection and
Yeah.
selecting.
Now, no, not there. Click on the sum of revenue. No, highlight the matrix.
Okay.
Yeah, matrix visual. Now in the under the values, the value that you have added, the revenue one, click
Yeah.
on the drop down there. No, not there. In the
This.
visualization pane, you drag the into the
Yeah,
value
yeah,
section,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
second one.
yeah.
Yeah, second one. Yeah. Now
Okay.
show value as
Oh, okay.
percent
Percentage.
of grand total. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So configuring. Okay.
Yeah, because it's an older version. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Everyone with me? Shanti,
Yeah, Indu,
Madhuri. Yeah.
Indu, I'm having a problem when I drag this matrix visual. It is saying you need to sign into the service. To add matrix visual, sign into the service.
Okay, so but you can't. Do you have work email to sign in?
Yeah, I did sign in.
Can you show me?
Yep,
Maybe.
sure.
Matrix should not require sign in, but yeah, let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Metric. No, not metric. See the in the from the visualization pane where you see R, just beside that. No, not that one. Matrix, MATRIX. So which is beside the table. Up, one level up. One level up. Yeah, that
This
one.
one. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Matrix.
Okay.
Where is your bar chart?
Mm,
Clustered bar chart has disappeared.
yeah.
So Control Z. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Once more. Yeah. Now highlight this one and then go to back. Yeah.
Yep.
Now click on the matrix visual. Just keep it and then click on the matrix visual.
This one.
Yeah. And also I think your hierarchy is not complete. So can you go to the dot of segment?
This one.
Yeah. Click on that.
Yep.
And then add to hierarchy. Choose product hierarchy. Yeah. And similarly go to product dot of product.
Yep.
And then go to add to hierarchy and product hierarchy. Yeah. Now redo that. You have the rows, right?
Yep.
In the visualization pane.
Oh.
No, not there.
Sorry.
This side. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have the rows. No. Don't do that. Just go into the rows above. Yeah. Just you are at the columns, right? Yeah. Remove that. Remove. Or yeah, click on the drop down. Let's see whether you can. Yeah, remove field. Yeah.
Remove field.
Yeah, remove.
I'm removing product hierarchy.
Yeah. Remove it and add it again because now you now you drag the product hierarchy again into the rows. Yeah. Now you got those pluses, right? Now you drag the revenue again to value.
Should I remove and drag it?
No. You keep that because we are now adding another column.
Sorry.
Okay. You add it twice. Once more, drag it. Yeah. Now click on the drop down there. There itself.
Here itself.
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
And then show value as and then percent of grand total.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow,
now you see the
okay.
brand. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No worries. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue. So now you can, in this matrix visual as well, you can drill down and drill through, which we have seen. Okay, sum of revenue by country visual. Let's try and do some interactions here. What he wants to do is click on the Australia. Okay, let's not do drill down mode. Click on the Australia. See, now you can see this is Australia values only. And then if you want just 2 years, the 2020 and 21, now select 2020 and Australia, and yeah, so go to okay, this is a combination of visuals. Okay, now you have Australia selected, and then click on 2020 and control click 2021. So now the sum of revenue that is showing here is Australia 2020 and 2021. So like that, you can play around with your visuals. Any questions? Okay, we can also sort by sort descending. We can do that. Selected. Default. We will sort by percentage greater than revenue. Okay, let's go and sort that. So here, do you remember how to sort?
Indu, when we selected the multiple years 2020, 21, the count is different than what you can see from my screen to your screen.
Yeah, I think there might be some data issues, so don't worry about that. So what did you do? So I'm just removing that. So if you see Australia, can you see only select Australia? Can you see 712 million or 711,997?
2.70.
Just Australia.
712. Yes, 712,000
Yeah.
million. Yes.
So yeah, it's the way you are selecting, that's all. So if you
Okay.
now click on 2020, 417. Yeah, but this
Yes.
includes USA, everything.
Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, 417. And then control 2022.
Yeah, okay. So let's do control.
868.
Yeah, 868.
Okay.
Okay. It depends on how you select and what you want. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now
Filter sorting.
yeah, sorting. How do you remember? Do you remember sorting? How do we do that? We have to sort this one. Let's say, for example, extreme. I think they were looking at extreme. It's sorted by descending, right? And then I think we need to sort by ascending. Okay, extreme and Maximus UE. Okay, ensure 2021 is selected and Australia is is selected. Okay, let's do that. First 2021 is selected and Australia is selected. So that means it is 119.25. Okay, theirs is a bit different. So now country, now Maximus UE04 has nearly 7% and 21 is the 21. So 7 and 5 is the top. Okay, now we want to create a DAX. Okay, so let's try and do that. So Australia, and then when we see this one, okay, our figures are a bit different. Yeah, okay, 2021 Australia is 119.25. Out of that, extreme is UE04 is 1.55 and 21 is 1.34%. Now what we are trying to do is we will create using DAX, we will create this column, this percentage percentage growth column. Now let's, oh no, not column, let's create a percentage growth calculated measure. So we can compare sales over time. Now, what is the difference between a column and a measure? Do you know what a measure is and what a column is? Before we go down that path, anyone can answer.
For measures, we don't need to create like a column. It's just a calculation based on the formula.
Based on the formula. Okay, okay, that's okay. We don't need to create. So when we create a measure, it will not appear like a column, right? Like a column like this. So for example, we have created a column based on this particular function. So we have, that is a column created. But when we create a measure, it will not appear here in the table view, but it changes dynamically based on the measure that we created by the dimension that we use. So how do we, maybe if we create one measure, then maybe you will understand a bit more. So how do we create a measure? So come to modeling. So from the report view, everyone come to modeling. Click on the modeling tab. Everyone done? Can you see any measure kind of thing?
Modeling tab. Where is that
Yeah, modeling
tab?
tab at the top in the
New
report view.
measure.
In the report view.
There is new measure and quick measure.
We'll just use new measure. Okay. Okay, let's use new measure, and then you can either for all your measures, if when you are working in a company, for your convenience, measures, because they are not columns, what you can do is you can create a new table and then create measures. But for now, we will just create, because our fact table is only one, we can just create our measure in the sales table. So make sure you are you have highlighted the sales table and then click on new measure. Did everyone do that? Now you can see the measure here. Did everyone do that? Okay, so now copy and paste whatever is there in the lab 2, or I will paste in the chat as well. Whoever can see the chat can use that. What we are trying to do here is, I'm just going to explain. PY sales. PY sales is previous year sales. Okay, same period last year. So this may not work for us, but let's see, because we are in 2024, right? So based on the date that we select, maybe it might work. So yeah, previous year sales we are calculating. So we are using the calculate function, like how we have used the calendar function. Now we are going to use the calculate function, and within the calculate can take minimum of one argument, and there are some other things that we can use. So our first argument is we need to pass some kind of a measure, or this can also be passed a calculation, some calculation we need to pass for as the first argument. What we are passing is sum of sales revenue. So we are just creating a sum of this sales revenue, this revenue field, nothing but sum of this one. Okay, it's the same. Now that one we are calculating, but what we want when the sum of the sales revenue is, I want you to give me the sum of sales revenue for the same period last year. And here the same period last year is also a function, but this function only works when you create a date dimension. If you use the date field that was there in sales table, this will not work. This function will not work. It needs a date table, date dimension date only. So that's why it's very important for us to create a date dimension in our model. So what we are doing is we are passing two parameters. One is the same period last year function, passing the date with that. And then we are passing the first parameter that we are passing is sum of sales revenue. So what it does is it will give you the previous year sales. Okay, so now I am creating that. So I'm just hitting enter, and hopefully now PY sales is there. It is there as a field, but when we go into the table view and let's see the sales table, can you see it as a column? Can you see the measure? Where is the measure?
No, cannot see.
Cannot see.
You said
So
we can't see as a
yeah,
column.
that is the main difference between measure and a column. Calculated column. See, this is the calculated column. We have calculated. What did we do? We just added the zip and the country name with a space in between, right? That is the calculated column, and we can see it as a column. But when we add the measure, we cannot see it as a calculated. We cannot see it in the table. But when we go and add it here, let's try and add it. I'm clicking on the white space and then I'm just clicking on this one. See, it is showing us some value, right? See, previous year sales. It's showing us some value, right? Did we get it? So this will change if I say 2020. It is giving me the previous year. So that means it is giving me the 2019 value. If I click on 2020, then it will give me the 2020 value. If I click on 2019, it will give me the 2080 value. Okay, so 363.89, 390, right? 390. So this will give you 390, the previous year's value. And of course, it will change based on it will dynamically change based on what we are trying to select. Okay.
After adding the DAX field, how do we add to this visual board, the canvas?
Okay, click on the white space and then just click on this one. and then that will give you a card visual.
Which
Card
visual?
visual. You don't have to. Usually, you don't have to. Maybe in the older versions, it might give you a column chart, I think. So just change that to card visual, or first add card visual, and then to that you can add the PY sales.
PY sales. Let me see this one. This is a DAX added.
Yeah.
So shall I?
Now click on the white space and then just click on the tick box, check box beside PY sales.
Where do I
Checkbox.
see that? Where do I
PY
see
sales
that?
in the sales table on the right hand side, data. Yeah. Sales table, come down.
Yeah.
PY sales, yeah. Click on the, no, not there. Yeah, click on the checkbox, yeah.
Okay. Automatically.
Yeah.
Mm, okay.
Now you change that to card visual from the visualization pane. Yeah. Fourth row, last icon. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So now, okay, let's continue. We have added the okay. Now we need to create another formula, another measure. Am I sharing? I'm not sharing, right? Share my screen. Okay. Now we are trying to create another measure, which is called percentage growth. And for calculating percentage growth, you will divide. First, take the difference between the sales, current year sales and the previous year sales, and then divide that by previous year sales. Okay, so that's the formula. And if I copy this one, give you in the chat as well, you can create the measure. And this measure also, make sure you are creating that in the sales table. So highlight the sales table and then go to new measure and then copy paste that. And then enter. Do you have that percentage growth? So what is happening here is, first of all, we are getting the sum of sales or revenue, which this will be the sum of sales minus previous year sales. Okay, that is the actual formula. Now, actual formula in the sense that will give you the difference, right? You need the difference to calculate the percentage growth, right? So for that, you are using the divide function, passing the difference and then separating this will be the numerator. So the difference will be the numerator divided by, which is, we are specifying it with a comma, and then we are dividing it by PY sales, previous year sales. And that will give you the, if you format that with percentage, that will give you the percentage growth. Okay, so that is the okay. So now you have created that, and then I think you need to let's try it again. If you go percentage growth, and then click on one of the, see now, and also you need to click on percentage here. See this percentage. You have to format that as percentage, or you can click on the format and then choose percentage. Everyone with me? If you click on 2021, I think it is still Australia is selected, is it? Yeah, if you click on 2021, 7.86% is the growth for 2021. And if we go here, 6.82% is the growth for 2020. Any questions?
I got Australia 0% something.
Australia, I think, yeah, it might be some,
Yeah, me too.
But-
0%.
yeah, but if you have to select one of the years,
Okay, so
Okay.
if you select Australia with the 2020, what is that one coming? 0.07 I'm getting.
2020 is 6.82. I didn't select Australia. If I select Australia, control select Australia, then it will be 3.63%.
Just Australia and what? Only Australia and 2020, right? Yeah.
Yeah. See, these two should be selected. Then 3.63.
0.07.
No, you are not selecting properly. See, if I just
Let me
click on
show you.
Australia, and you need to click on Australia and 2021. Sorry, 2020. Or don't click on Australia. Just click on 2020. Can you see 7.86 growth?
No, 0.07.
20. Okay, I know what is happening. Okay, what you need to do is click on this 1% growth and then make sure it is percentage.
Ma'am, your screen
Use,
is
yeah, screen is not shared.
I am sharing, but I'll stop and share. Share. Okay, can you see?
Mm, mm.
Click
Okay.
on this percentage growth here, the
Okay.
measure,
Okay.
and then make sure your format is percentage, or click on this percentage sign. Then it will change to percentage.
Okay. It was in general.
Yeah, it was in general. Yeah. Now it will show it as percentage.
6.82. Yes. Now it's matching.
Yeah. Okay. So now I think we'll finish this lab 2 today, hopefully. Okay. Now what we'll do is we can add the percentage growth in the like this. Yeah, we can add P by sales and also percentage growth in that table. Okay, in the matrix. Yeah, I think that will finish this. We can also change it to currency. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to P by sales and make sure that that is currency, and percentage growth anyway it is there. So now what we'll do is we will highlight the matrix, and let's add P by sales and also add percentage growth into the matrix.
Okay.
Just resizing it. Would have done it in a sec. Yeah, can you all see? Can you all see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns in the matrix visual? Yeah, so now you can go sort by P by sales.
Okay.
Okay, now what is your growth column showing?
Percentage.
Percentage growth column
Zero.
showing
Zero. All
Why is
zeros.
that?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It wasn't configured with something or equated or
We haven't
there is
selected
no
any.
growth.
Yeah,
Some of
no,
the
no,
revenue
no,
and
no.
previous sales is
We have
same.
we haven't selected any year because it percentage growth is based on year, right? Based on the date, right? If you select a year, then you will get it. Okay. You select 2021 or 2020 or 2019, you will get the year,
Mm.
get the growth. Okay. See, there is minus growth in the regular in this one. So that means there is
2019. Okay.
for 2019. Yeah.
Of which country?
I haven't selected any country.
Okay.
So I think that's all for today. Yeah, there is some analysis going on. We'll just save it now. Save the Power BI file. And if somebody has questions, they can stay back. 22, I think. Did everyone save?
Yep.
Okay. I think for next time, we will be having a new file, I think. As far as I know. Let's see. Okay.
Getting more
Any questions?
Indu, I have one question, Indu.
Yeah.
In sum of revenue by date column, my chart is not as per the year.
Okay, so can you
yeah,
share?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you see this chart,
Okay, highlight that. Okay, let's see. Which date are you using for your x-axis? Can you go at the top? Maybe you don't have hierarchy, that's why. Can you go to the top? Yeah, geography, even top scroll bar, use the scroll bar and then. Yeah, you don't have date hierarchy, that is the reason.
Okay, here.
Yeah, you might have to know, you might have to create that.
Create date hierarchy.
Yeah, but the thing is, okay, yeah, create hierarchy. Let's see what happens. Yeah.
Actually, this problem I was having last class also.
Yeah. Because I think in your file, the auto date time is date hierarchy is disabled. That's the reason. I think open that. Do we have anything? Click on the greater than symbol on the right side. This side. Yeah. Yeah. Click. Open that. Okay, it's having only date. So what we need to do is go to the table view. And let's create the okay, create a new column from the click on the new column there.
Yeah,
new column, and then give month of remove the column. Click on the column. You need to change the formula. Okay, click again. Right click and no, click on the whole column, not the drop down. Yeah.
Yeah, new
new
column.
column. Yeah. Now don't do anything. Remove the in the formula. Remove the column and say year
Okay.
equals
Yeah.
Year of. We'll use the year function. So start typing. Yeah, year. Choose that year. The second one. Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah.
Year.
From the no, not that one. From that bottom. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yep.
And then you need to pass the date. So just start typing date.
Date.
Yeah, you need that. Choose the very first second one.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, because now you are passing the date which belongs to the date dimension which is in your table. Now close the
Okay.
brackets.
Yep.
Yeah, enter. So that will create the year column. And let's create a month column as well. So again, create a new column.
Yep.
So month, again, try and use month. Month name is there, I think. Month. Okay. Yeah. Click on month. Yeah. And then again pass the date because it is showing you that you need to pass the date. So same thing. Yeah. Date. Yeah. Close the brackets and enter. So we have year, month, and we have date. Okay, it's giving you a number. Okay, now create another column for quarter. Let's try and use quarter. Call that as quarter equals. Yeah, try typing quarter. I think there is a function for quarter. Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
No, you used quotient equals. Yeah, first one. Yeah, now pass date again. No, not that one. Delete. Yeah, you need to choose the table and the date. Second one. Yeah, close. Okay, now you got the quarter. Yeah, quarter, month, and year. So what you can do is in the date hierarchy you can add on the right hand side now.
Yeah.
Go to the quarter first. No, go to the dot of quarter. We'll do the same thing like how we did the add to hierarchy, date hierarchy. Yeah.
Okay.
And then first we need to add year, I think. Yeah, maybe we can move up and down. Yeah. Add year to the hierarchy. Yeah.
Yep.
And then month also.
Yep.
Now you can use that date hierarchy in your
Report view.
Yeah. In the chart.
For this chart. Should I remove this x-axis?
Yeah, remove and then add that. Use the date hierarchy. Drag that date hierarchy. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Now click on the up arrow because it's going into date level. Yeah. Click on the up arrow.
Drill up.
Oh, no. The order is different, you see.
Yeah.
So
date,
you need to
quarter,
first.
year, and month.
First it needs to be year, quarter, month, and date, right? So
Okay.
try and move it. Let me see whether we can. Yeah.
From here, I don't think.
Can you drag and drop?
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll remove first from here.
Try dragging and dropping. I don't know whether it works or not. So click. Yeah, you remove that first.
Yeah.
Here, try to get. No, not there.
Here,
In
this
the
year.
date, within the date hierarchy.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, here. Don't click on it. Just try dragging up quarter above the quarter.
First quarter.
Yeah, above the quarter. Maybe it's not coming. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just try.
Yep.
Hold on. I'll try in the properties one. Date hierarchy itself. I'll take. Okay. In model view, you can do that. So go to model view. Yeah. Now select that date from the date hierarchy. Select the date hierarchy. Not this way, but yeah, you can choose that. Yeah. Yeah. Select that.
Yeah.
And yeah, see now on the left scroll bar where you see hierarchy in the properties pane. Yeah. Now, yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah. Come down. Yeah. Use that scroll bar. Now try to move year to the first.
Will it go? Oh,
Yeah, it will go. Yeah. And then date to the last. Yeah.
Yep.
Now you can apply level changes.
Should
Apply.
I
You need to apply. No, here.
Oh,
The same.
okay,
same
okay,
place.
okay.
Yeah. Now if you go to your visual and add that, then it should be fine.
Yeah. Now
Date
it's
hierarchy.
month, quarter, and date. So I'll just add
that. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah. Now click on the top. And
drill one.
No, drill up. First drill up everything. One more. Yeah, yours changed to line. You can go back to bar. Yeah.
Stacked column.
Yeah. And then one more arrow up. Two more, I think. 2 or 3. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Years.
See now it's yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Now if you want to drill down, you can click on the down arrow and then drill down. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
how you
Thank
create
you.
the hierarchy manually.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay. No worries. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions or shall we go to bed now?
That's it.
Nice session, Indu. We
Yeah,
learned measures
I'm
and
really
that's it.
enjoying. I'm really
Yeah.
enjoying.
No worries. Okay.
How do
Thank
you
you so
just
much.
how do you just pick up the what went wrong quickly? By just looking at you can pick it up. How do you do that?
I
Yeah.
don't know. Maybe experience probably.
Thank you so much, Indu.
Okay. No worries.
Thank you.
Okay
Thank
then.
you.
Yeah.
Good
See you
night.
next week.
Thank you,
Okay.
Indu garu.
Okay. No worries. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.